Leeds International School, Primary 3, Second Midterm, ENV, Unit 10, Our Festivals. Sri Lanka is rich in both culture and history. We celebrate many days of culture and religious significance and also celebrate events of national importance. So Sri Lanka has more cultural and historical events. We celebrate many days of cultural and religious significance, cultural and religious importance, and also celebrate events of national importance. And also we celebrate the events of national importance. Festival. Festivals are days of great joy and happiness. Festival we celebrate it with great joy and happiness. We play games, sing, dance, eat delicious food, wear new clothes or light lamps. So during the festival we play games, we sing songs, we dance, we eat delicious food, wear new clothes and light lamps. National Festival. A national festival is celebrated throughout the country. It is celebrated by each one of us. It is a celebration of an important historical event. National event, it is celebrated throughout the country. The whole country celebrate this national festival. So it is celebrated by each one of us. Every one of us in this, if we are in the country, we celebrate this national festival. It is a celebration of an important historical event. We celebrate that because of an historical event. Independence Day. Independence Day is a day of national importance for every citizen of the country. We celebrate the Independence Day. It's a very important day of a citizen of every country. So we celebrate this Independence Day. Independence Day of Sri Lanka is 4th February 1948. So the Independence Day of Sri Lanka is 4th February 1948. On that day, our country won independence from a foreign country called Britain. So on that day only, we got the independence from a foreign country called Britain. Every year on that day, President hoists the national flag at the grand ceremony in Colombo. So every year we celebrate that Independence Day. So on the Independence Day, our president will hoist the national flag at a grand ceremony which is conducted in Colombo. So in these pictures you can see how we celebrate our Independence Day in a grand ceremony. Religious festivals. Sri Lankan people follow many religions. They celebrate different religious festivals such as Thai Pongal, Sinhali and Tamil New Year, Esalapoya, Vesak Poya, Miladunabi, Eid ul Fitr, Deepavali, Christmas. So in Sri Lankan people they follow these religions and they celebrate different festivals. So these are the festivals that Sri Lankan we celebrate. Thai Pongal. Thai Pongal is the harvest festival of the Tamil people. It is the harvest festival. It is celebrated in the middle of January. So Tamil people they celebrate in the middle of January. People pray to the sun god for a rich harvest. They pray to the sun god for a rich harvest. They prepare delicious pongal, sweet rice, at home and visit temple. So what they do, they prepare delicious pongal, it's sweet rice and they visit the temple. They decorate their houses with traditional columns. They decorate their houses. The column, it is a traditional thing what the Tamil people they do. So by putting that column, they decorate their houses. So here you can find these are the pictures how the Tamil people they celebrate their Thai Pongal, and here you can see a picture of a kolam decoration. This is how they celebrate. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Both Sinhalese and Tamil people celebrate this festival. This festival is celebrated by both Sinhalese and Tamil people. People wear new clothes. Families get together to spend time playing traditional games, preparation of traditional food like kiriba, that means milk rice. So people at this festival they wear new clothes, they get together with their family, they spend the time with their family, and they have traditional games. Okay, they play these traditional games and they prepare their traditional food like kiriba, that means milk rice. So here you can find the pictures of Sinhala and Tamil New Year. You can find traditional games and the traditional foods what they prepare during Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Asalapoya. Asalapoya is a Buddhist festival celebrated in July or August. So Asalapoya is a Buddhist festival. It is celebrated in July or August. This festival marks the arrival of Buddha's tooth relic in Sri Lanka. So this is the remarkable festival of Buddha's tooth relic in Sri Lanka. Arrival of Buddha's tooth relic in Sri Lanka. Asala Perahera is celebrated in a grand manner at Kandy. Elephants are richly decorated and taken around the city carrying the tooth relic of Buddha. So during this Asala festival, it is celebrated at Kandy and it is celebrated in a very grand manner. So elephants are richly decorated and taken around the city carrying the tooth relic of Buddha. So here you can find the picture how they celebrate. Different dances like fire dance, whip dance, Candian dance take place at this festival. So here you can find different kinds of dance, different kinds of dances, fire dancers, whip dancers, Candian dancers, like that you can find different types of dancers. Vesak Poya. Vesak Poya is also a Buddhist festival and it is celebrated in full moon day in May. So Vesak Poya is also a Buddhist festival and it is celebrated in May. This festival marks the birth, enlightenment and the last breath of Buddha. So this festival remarks the birth, enlightenment and the last breath of Buddha. People decorate their houses with Vesak lanterns and distribute rice, curry and sweet to the poor on this day. So on this day people they decorate their houses with Vesak lanterns and distribute rice, curry and sweet to the poor. So here you can see some pictures of the Vesak lanterns. Pandals are constructed in front of the houses and decorated with the scenes of the life Buddha. So during this Vesak, what they do, they construct pandals and they construct it in front of the houses and it is decorated with the scene of the life Buddha. The Buddha's life is showed in these pandals and it is decorated very nicely. So here you can see the pictures of these pandals, how it is constructed and decorated. People visit Buddhist shrines and they meditate and fast on this day. So on this day the people they visit the Buddhist shrines and they meditate and fast on this day. So here you can see the pictures how they celebrate. Miladun Nabi. Muslims celebrate this festival in December to mark the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad. So this day is celebrated to remark the birth of the Prophet Muhammad. So they celebrate Miladun Nabi. Eid al-Fitr. Muslims fast during the holy month of Ramadan. So they fast during this month, holy month of Ramadan. This festival marks the end of sacred fasting. So this remarks the end of sacred fasting. They celebrate this festival by wearing new clothes, preparing a grand feast, and distributing food to the poor. So here also they celebrate it in a grand way, wearing new clothes, prepare grand foods, and they celebrate the food to the poor. So here you can find two pictures how they celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Deepavali. Hindus welcome goddess of the wealth into their family with this festival. They decorate their houses with traditional kolam and light lamps all over their houses. So what they do, they welcome their goddess of the wealth to their family on this festival. So what they do, they decorate their house with traditional kolam and they light the lamps all over their houses. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. This remarks the birth of Jesus Christ, the founder of religion Christianity. So Christmas it is celebrated on 25th of December. So this celebration remarks the birth of Jesus Christ, the founder of the religion Christianity. Christians celebrate this festival by conducting midnight mass and singing carols. So the Christians they celebrate it by conducting midnight mass and singing carols. Thank you. God bless you, my dear children.